Hello my friends, it's a new day, new Quick 9 tournament, new course. Today we have the Vineyard Acres, so again below this video you can find the link for that course. On that link you can find too many different videos and ideas for every hole. Because of that, please follow the link below this video, and I just can wish you good luck, all the best, and see you some new videos. Bye bye, ciao.